Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to turn your tweets into catchy songs with Voicemod AI. Let's get started. First, go and search for Voicemod text to song in your browser and open the official tool. This is where the completely online and works on mobile and desktop. Then, pick a melody of your Voicemod's built-in instruments like pop, trap, hip hop, and more. Then select one of the AI singers. Then here, copy the text of your tweet and paste it into the lyrics box. That's your song. Keep it short and catchy. And after that, generate the song. Hit generate and wait for a few seconds, then preview and download your vocal generated song snippet. You'll get an audio or record with a cartoon singer. And that's just like that. Your tweet is now memorable tune. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.